Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Word 2A and 2B simulation training. So open the Word 2A and 2B simulation and training. So if you want to complete my MylTLab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee you are 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. So open the Word 2A and 2B simulation training. Click the launch. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. So open the exam and total question is 20. With the insertion point in the blank documents on the insert tab in the table group, click the table and insert the table grid in the row 4 and click in the column 2, insert the 2 by 4 table. So go to the insert tabs and go to the table groups and click the tables. So insert the tables is click the 2 column sorry uh, 2 column 4 row 2 column 4 row and click OK. So question number 1 is complete. We move to the question number 2. So question number 2 is, in the first row in the first cell type the objective. So type the objective and press tab buttons, and next is in the first row in the second cell type the web developers position and press tab button. So first row in the second cell type the web developer position and press tab button. Next is in the second row first cell type the summary of qualification and press tab button. So type the summary of qualification and press tab button. So question number 2 is complete. We move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is open the question number 3. In the third row in the first cell type the professionals experience and press tab button. So type the professional experience and press tab button. And next is be sure insertion point is in the second column of the third row and the left of the cells marker on the insert tab. In the text group, click the objective button arrow and then click the text from a file. In the insert the files dialog box and click the file 2A experience and then click the inserts and press backspace on a one times and remove the blank line. So insert the insertion point third row left of the cell on the insert tab. In the text group, click the object button arrow and then click the text from a file. In the insert files dialog box and click the file 2A experience and then click inserts and press backspace one time to remove the blank line. So insert the files. So go to the insert tabs and go to the text groups and click the object text from our files and click the 2A experience document, click the inserts, and next is press the backspace on one time. Next is press tab buttons, move to the first cell of the fourth row, type the honor and activities. So press the tab buttons and type the honor and activity, and then press tab button. So question number 3 is complete. We move to the question number 4. So question number 4 is select all of the text in the cell to the right of summary of qualification on the home tab. In the paragraph group, click the bullet button from the text bulleted list, default row button. So select the summary of qualifications, select the all text of the summary of qualifications on the home tabs and bulleted. So select the all text, summary of qualifications, select the all text summary of qualification on the home tabs and paragraph group, click the bullet and bullet is to the wrong bullet, click OK. Next is with the bulleted list selected paragraph group, click the decrease indent one times, align the bullets at the left edge of cell. With the bulleted list selected and the paragraph groups, and click the decrease indent. So click the decrease indent one time. And next is with the bulleted still selected on the clipboards groups, click the format pointer to activities it for the multiple use in the cell to the right professional experience, and select the paragraph that begin design and secure and integrated to apply the bullets to those paragraph. Remaining bulleted text will auto completes, and copy the format pointers and professional experience paragraph design and secure to integrated, apply the bulleted paragraph. So apply the professional experience, select the paragraph designed to the secure and integrate, secure and integrate. So copy the format pointers and next, and on the home tabs in the clipboard groups, click the format pointer to turn off and turn off. So question number 4 is complete. We move to the question number 5. So question number 5 is on the right end of the ribbon, click the active layout tabs and click the first cell to the table, point the vertical borders to column to display the pointer, and then drag the right boundary first column 1.5 marker. So select the line and home tabs active to the layout tabs and first point vertical between the two column, display the drags and right 1.5. Next is in cell size group, use the width of box to the set the width of the first column to 1.4. In the size group, cell size group, and use the table width is 1.5, 1.4, and press enter. And next is in the cell size group, click the auto fit and then click the auto fit to window auto fits table in the window. Click the auto fit window. So question number 5 is complete. We move to the question number 6. So question number 6 is on the left border of the table's upper left corner of the cells containing the text, honor and activities to display the one click row column insertion button and then click on time to insert the new row. On the left border, tab to the honors honor and activities to display the one click row and column insertion button and click the insert the new row. Insert the new row and insert the above row. And next is in the first cell of the new row type the education. So type the education and press tab button. And next is in the second cell of the new row University of Maryland's College Parks and MD. So type the University of Maryland and type the college Park MD and press enter. So question number 6 is complete. We move to the question number 7. So question number 7 is click anywhere top row of the table and then layout tabs in the alignment groups. Click the margin to display the table option dialog box. Set the top of cells margin to 0.04 and the set bottom cell margin to 0.04 and then click OK. So click the anywhere, click the top row, anywhere layout tabs and alignment groups and click the cell merge and table options and set the top cell margin 0.04 and the set bottom cell margin 0.04 and click OK. Next is on the active layout tabs in the row and column group, click the insert the above and insert the above. And next is with the first row table selected layout tabs in the merge group and click the merge cell. So question number 7 is complete. We move to the question number 8. So question number 8 is on the home tab the paragraph group, click the dialog box launcher in the paragraph dialog box, ingredients and spacing tabs lower left, click the tabs under the tab stop position, type the 6.5 and under the alignments click the right set and then click OK. On the home tabs and paragraph groups and dialog box and the box indent spacings and lowers and click the tabs and tab stop position, type the 6.5 and then under the alignments click the right and click the set right and click set and click OK. Next is in the first row type the Monroe dials Olmo and press Control tabs and type the number and then press Enter. Control tabs does not the positions integrated the browse and please keyboards icon button and write the simulation window. So type the Monroe and Dell Olmo and Control tab button and type the numbers, close bracket, and press Control enters. So press enters, and next is in the second line of the first table's row type the address. So type the address and Control tab buttons. And press enters, and next is Control tab and line of the first table row type the LinkedIn, LinkedIn So question number 8 is complete. We move to the question number 9. So question number 9 is in the first row of the table and select the name Monroe Dell Olmo and apply the bold and change the font size to the 16 and apply the bold row and select the and apply the bold and change the font size to the 16. And next is click anywhere in the third line of the text which contain the LinkedIn information on the left side of the ribbons. The click the layout tabs in the paragraph groups and click the spacing after up spins arrow and 3 times to add the 18 point spacing between the first row of the table on the second row. So click anywhere in the third lines text and on the left side of the other ribbons and go to the layout tabs and go to the paragraph groups and click the spacing after spins is after spacing. So after spacing 18 point and spacing between the first row table in the second row is 3 times to 18 points and 9 LinkedIn information layout paragraph group and spacing After up spin arrow is 18 points between the first row table in the second row. First row in the second row, and next is in the second column click the anywhere is the web developer position and apply the 18 points spacing after. Apply the 18 point spacing after. So question number 9 is complete. We move to the question number 10. So question number 10 is to remove all the border from the tables on the right end of the ribbons on the active layout tab in the table group, click the select and then click the select table. On the ribbon, click the table designs tab in the borders group, click the border buttons arrow and then click no borders. So remove the all borders and active layout tabs and table groups and click the select the tables on the ribbon and click the table design tabs and click the border is no border, and next is with the entire selected on the table design in the border groups and click the borders button arrow in the click the borders shading by clicking in the preview box and apply the custom top borders table using the thick upper lines for the top border, thick lower line styles for the bottom borders. So go to the borders and border and shadings, click the custom and next is top bottom and bottom borders, click OK. So question number 10 is complete. We move to the question number 11. In the first row of the table, click the anywhere text to the Monroe Dells and from the layout tab and add the 18 spacing before. Click the anywhere text from the layout tabs and to format the layout tabs, add the 18 point before. So question number 11 is complete. We move to the question number 12. So question number 12 is as the first paragraph type the Monroe Dells and press enters. West Street type the comma and Alexander's Alexandra and hold shift press enters, and next is so Monroe type the Monroe Outlook press enter. And next is select the text mono dels olmo and home tabs and font groups and click the bold. And next is select the two line that form the second paragraph on the home tabs in the font groups and click the bold. So first select the two lines second paragraph, select the two line second paragraph on the home tabs and font groups and click the bold. And next is select the text mono del olmo and change the font size to the 16. And next is select the two address lines from the second paragraph, change the font size to the 12. And next is with the paragraph that's contain the home address and then telephone number selected on the home tab paragraph groups and click the align. Home address and telephone selected on the home tabs and click the align right. So question number 12 is complete. We move to the question number 13. So question number 13 is click anywhere first paragraph of the text monroe in the paragraph groups, click the border button, arrow and then button, click the border and shading in the border and shading dialog box, border tab with arrow and click the 3 points to the right preview, click the bottom border and click OK. So go to the borders paragraph groups and click the border and settings, the border and setting dialog box, and on the border click the width is 3 to the right preview and click the bottom borders and click OK. So question number 13 is complete. We move to the question number 14. So question number 14 is click the file tabs on the left clicks option in the word option dialog box. On the left clicks proofing autocorrect option, click the autocorrect option button in the autocorrect dialog box and click the autocorrect tabs under the computers. So go to the file tabs and click the options. So click the option in the word options, word option dialog box. So word option dialog box and click the proofing. So select the click the proofing and under the autocorrect option and click the autocorrect options in the autocorrect dialog box and click the autocorrect tabs and under the replace with under the replace and type the computers computer and with this computer and click the OK. So question number 14 is complete. We move to the question number 15. So question number 15 is click to move the insertion point to the blank below the letterheads on the insert tabs text group. Click the insert date and time and then click the third date format and click OK and then press 2 times. So click the move the insertion point blank line below and on the insert tabs and text group give the insert date and time, insert the date and time and click the third date formats and click OK and press 2 times, enter 2 times. And next is type the titles Select the first three lines of the insert and rest and layout tabs in the paragraph groups. And select the first three lines. So select the first three lines and layout tab in the paragraph group, spacing after 0 and spacing after 0. And next is with the insertion points, space the after my type the computers and then press space bars. Notice and autocorrect replace the computer with the computers with the insertion points of the following: my and type the computers and then press space bars. With the insertion points, blank paragraph, insert tab text group and click the object button arrow and then click the text from a file. Insert the file and click the cover letter text file. So go to the insert tabs and go to the text from a files and click OK. So insert the file. So question number 15 is complete. We move to the question number 16. So question number 16 is: on the home tabs, editing groups, click the find and search box accessibility in the documents double yellow let accessibility and type the variables, replace the word. So control F and type the accessible and accessibles and type the variable. And password and close the navigation points. And next is on the home tabs editing group, click the replace and find what is ICH and Innova Children Hospitals. Under search options, select the match case, click the replace all, click OK and find and replace dialog box, click close. So go to the home tabs and go to the find and replace. Find and replace. So open the find and replace with this Innova Children Hospital. And search option, select the match case so go to the home tabs and editing groups and click the replace. Just type the ICH and type Innova Hospital and click the modes and click the match case and match case and click the replace cells, click OK and click close. So question number 16 is complete. We move to the question number 17. In the paragraph group, begin as the web developer double clicks and attracted drag to the left functional. So select the as a developer and double click attracted drag and to the left of the functionals. And now at the end of sentence double clicks, so now and double clicks and drag to the left functionals. So type the CSS and right hand of the active layout tabs and table groups and select the tables and select the tables and size group and select the tables and size groups and click the auto fit content. And next is selected the table designs table set, click the more and table grid styles planes table second styles on tab paragraph groups and centers. So go to the table design tabs and click the table greater light style graded tables the more and table graded light style table graded plan table graded light styles. Plan table grid table grid light. And next is then home tabs on the paragraph groups and click the centers and next is select the blank paragraph under the table layout tabs and after spacing 0 point. And layout tabs and 0. So question number 18 is complete. We move to the question number 19. So question number 19 is as the paragraph begin as my resume illustrates and right clicks shortcut menu replace the misspells and then paragraph begin as a develop and flag words to delete the repeaters as my resume as my resumes and my resume and use the shortcut replace the professional. So go to the review tabs and so assignment is done. Please click OK to submit the assignments and check the scores. So result is for 2A and 2B simulation exam is 100%. So I will guarantee your 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. If you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email.